Welcome back. Another day. Today's Sunday. I'm trying to get a good load of hours done. This is the facia and soffit which has arrived. Some more Kingspan stuff. I've got all the USB on behind this and the vapor barrier on. Some this for the cladding to go on too, on both sides. We're just waiting to get the wires in so we can get the soffit on for the roof. Started some electrical work. Gonna have sort of sound system controls over here. Over here will be the projector shining onto this wall. Sort of PlayStation and a couple of things over there mounted high. So I had an electrician round. He's happy enough with everything. Offered me a job. Give me a few pointers. Just the way I was tacking things. So we have a ring loop going right round and a spur coming off. Another couple of sockets to put in here because there's decent speakers to go in, so we're putting them in. And then in this side over here we have used the acoustic wool, which in fairness is actually a bit better and easier to work with than the Kingspan stuff, but with them in here as well, bit of a combination. And we've also the doors, when they come they'll just cut these out and frame them. So some of the electrical work's going on here, so we're waiting on a few bits and bobs going. I've run out of wire, but yeah, so we'll see where we get today. We're going to try and get the USB on around here as much as we can, try and get the roof done as well, and then we'll just start using this for a bit of storage, because apparently the gas is coming on Wednesday. I've also to dig a trench 500 mm down, deep down here, bring it along outside and bring it up over to the fuse box. So that's today's plans. Yeah, and once the gas goes, the oil tank will go at the weekend, so we're running about here with the heating on all week. Welcome back to an update. Today is Saturday. We're working away here, bit of cable work. Everything's done and dusted on that end of installation. We've got Ethernet cables, audio cables. This is where the projector's going with it. Audio extractor for the HDMI that'll link to the speakers, with the tails all in for the lights. There's going to be 6 down lights in here. They're going to be on one circuit, and then another circuit will have lights on the eaves and 2 up down lights outside. We're using these smart switches, so when you're walking out you can get Alexa to turn them on. Also got these Rose junction boxes off eBay to make the wiring to the switch and all that a wee bit easier. So not cutting too much to the wiring because I'll need the electrician to come on Wednesday. He's going to run a complete new feed in from the extension box that's going to go along here in behind that wall where the extension or where the fuse box is. I'll just show you this room. This is near done and dusted. In here with the fuse box on the wall, door's going to go basically along here and a window. Cut that out once we get that all finished. Bar that, we got all the USB on. This bit here was a bit of a balls. In hindsight, I'll probably redo this all through time with 22mm. Just want to get it up and running, to be honest. Some conduit in here and a few bits and bobs added. I need to add like a bit of a skirting board on to reinforce things, but yeah, the 22mm would have been a better buy, but just the price of the USB at the minute is ridiculous. We've also a plug in here as for a camera as well that we need to plug in as well. But yeah, we're running. Well, what did we get today? The 11th of July. No alcohol consumed. Got the bikes up, run a batten along the wall up here, pinned it on. It is flat. It is straight. It's the wall is off, hence the roof, the runoff. Got the battens on as well, still waiting on the electric getting plumbed in. So all the bikes are in that are needed. 7. Another hook in here for maybe the lawnmower to hang up. As I say, got a good tidy up, sort of bringing some stuff in out of the garage to clear up a bit of space. So this is a template for the doors going to go along here. We'll have this wall sort of free for helmets and a couple of things along there. Over here we're going to have the Swift turbo setup and then a bench running along here for storage and a couple of things underneath there. Well, that's the plan anyway, once we start bringing stuff in. I've got all the sockets wired in and using the loop circuit as well. Got them all in, and as I said in the last video, I don't want to commit too much to putting the board on here before the electrician signs everything off. Another big tidy up in here as well. Three bags full of sawdust and cut-offs and stuff. This is the old kitchen. It's not going in. We're waiting on some punter bandit on eBay. The only thing you need to do is get the oil tank removed and a dump run. So it's time to go and watch the England match. Alexa, turn the garage lights off. Alexa, turn the garden lights off. Welcome back to another update. Sunday the 1st of August. How many days to your birthday?
9.
Right, what have we got done? We've got a bit of paneling done, well, all the paneling done. We've got speakers in, they're fed from over here. Electric's been signed off by an electrician, Dean Hogg, brilliant. Sockets in there, and we have electrical box coming in there. There's a feed coming in. That's all been signed off and approved.
Listen to this. Alexa, turn off the garage lights.
So, as I say, we've got a control unit here, cables coming out, another socket over here, and another socket and HDMI cables up here for the projector. There's a couple more sockets over here.
Turn on the garage lights.
And as Abby's demonstrating, these are the Wi-Fi switches, like the Alexa, and they're pretty good. They just needed a neutral fed to them, and they worked there pretty well. Wrestled with a few boards, getting them on. This one here was a complete nightmare, so I'm going to have to put a trim on that. Can't put the trim on until the doors go in. And talking about the doors are all here, but we'll save that for the next video. So I'm going to go and get some wood filler to join some of these joins in. Some of them haven't been great, but I did my best on my own.